Welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Today we are going to discuss about chapter quadratic equations, and the numerical is John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they have now is 124. We would like to find out how many number of marbles they had to start with. I am your trainer Venkatesh K. Now let us see how to proceed with the solution. So I have noted down the problem, and in order to proceed with the solution, now since two people together are having John and Jivanti together are having 45 marbles, then let us assume the number of marbles with John to be x. If John is having x number of marbles, because Jivanti and John together have 45, then Jivanti would be having 45 minus x number of marbles. Now the condition, both of them lost 5 marbles each. The product of the number of marbles they have now is 124. Now in order to build the equation, what he is saying is both of them lost 5 marbles each. Since John to begin with had x number of marbles, if he loses 5 number of marbles, the number of marbles left with him would be x minus 5. Similarly, number of marbles with Jivanti is presently 45 minus x after losing 5 number of marbles. So she would be having 45 minus x minus 5. So upon simplification, we would be getting 40 minus x number of marbles to be present with Jivanti after losing 5 marbles. Now he says after losing 5 marbles, the product of the number of marbles they have now is 124. Now we will have to multiply x minus 5 and 40 minus x. If you multiply these two entities, then we would be getting 124. That is what is the given condition. Now let us simplify this. In order to open brackets, multiply x with 40, which is x into 40 is 40x, plus x into minus x is minus x square, minus 5 into 40 is minus 200, minus into minus is plus, 5 into x is 5x, is equal to RHS would remain same, that is 124. Now let us simplify the equation and take RHS towards LHS. Take the x square term as a first term, that is minus x square, plus 40x plus 5x, minus 200 minus 124. This minus 124 we have got by doing a transpose from RHS, that is plus 124 is becoming minus 124. Now in order to simplify, minus x square would be the first term, 40x plus 5x is 45x, minus 200 minus 124 would be minus 324. Because I have minus sign for first term, which is x square, so let me take minus common and divide by minus 1 on LHS as well as RHS. Upon division, what do we see is that minus and minus in the numerator and denominator of LHS would get cancelled and is equal to 0 by minus 1. That is x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0 by minus 1 is 0. Now this is looking like the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. How can we say that it is in standard form? That is, the first term is x square term followed by the next term as x term and the constant term. So it is now fit for factorization, that is we can proceed with the factorization. So in order to proceed with factorization, multiply first and the last term, that is plus x square by multiplied by plus 324. We would be getting plus 324 x square. Also, the second condition to be satisfied is upon addition or subtraction, we will have to get minus 45x, that is this condition. Because the number for which the factors have to be selected, that is 324, is quite big. Now let us do the prime factorization. So upon doing prime factorization, the primes which have been obtained for the composite number 324 is this set of numbers. Now what has to be done with this set of numbers is we will have to select two factors out of the prime numbers what we have got, such a way that upon addition or subtraction we have to get 45. So if you multiply first 4 primes what we have got, that is 2 by 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 3 3s is 9. So if you select the factors as 36x and 9x, then upon addition or subtraction we would be getting minus 45x if both the factors are selected with minus sign, that is minus 36x and minus 9x. Also upon multiplication, minus 36 by minus 9, that is minus into minus is plus, 36 9s is 324, x into x is x square. Since these factors we have selected from prime factorization, anyway we multiply would be giving the same composite number, that is 324. Now let us simplify in the equation. In order to simplify, replace the middle term, that is 45x, with the selected factors. Selected factors are minus 36x and minus 9x. Upon simplification, now we see that from first two terms you can take x common, and last two terms you can take 9 common. So if x is taken common from first term, x is left, followed by 36 with minus sign. Also minus 9 is taken common from the third term, so wherein x is left, and from fourth term minus 36 is left. Now we see that x minus 36 and x minus 36 are again common factor between the two terms. If you take x minus 36 common from first term, x is left, followed by minus sign, which is the second term here. Now we see that a minus b into c minus d is equal to 0, or x minus a into x minus b is equal to 0, which implies either x minus 36 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. So how to simplify this? First we will have to take the expression out of the bracket. So since there is nothing getting multiplied, then x minus 36 would remain as it is, followed by x minus 9 is equal to 0. In order to find the value for x, transpose this minus 36 towards RHS. Minus 36 would become plus 36. Also, similarly, minus 9 upon transpose would become plus 9. That is, x is equal to 9. So, x is equal to 36 and x is equal to 9 are the required solutions. That is, these are the number of marbles with John. So, now we will have to find the number of marbles with Jivanti. That is, number of marbles with Jivanti. If John had 36 marbles, Jivanti would be having 45 minus x. That is, 45 minus 36 is 9. Similarly, case 2, if x is equal to 9, that is, if John had 9 marbles, Jivanti would be having 36 marbles. Therefore, as a conclusion, if John had 36 marbles, Jivanti would have 9. That is case 1. Also, if John had 9 marbles, Jivanti would have 36 marbles. Thank you.